Hi, I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson, and you're watching Get Your Sax Together. Christmas season continues, and what could be more Christmassy than Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? Let's learn it. Just before you learn how to play Rudolph, don't forget to get your free PDF sheet music that you can access using the URL that you can see there, or just click the link in the description. Totally free sheet music, and it's got all the note names written underneath, so even if you don't read music, you're still quids in. What a bargain. So go and get your free sheet music. The version I've based this one on is by Dean Martin, but like all these Christmas songs, the normal song's a bit long, so I kind of cut up the backing tracks and make it a nice little arrangement for you. So I hope you enjoy this version. If it's a bit too quick for you to play along with, here's how you slow down YouTube. If you're watching YouTube on your desktop computer, go to the settings cogwheel and then select playback speed, and then finally select the speed that you'd like to play it back. If you're on mobile, touch the screen, go to the three dots in the top right hand corner and then select playback speed, and again select the speed that you'd like to practice at. I think these backing tracks are really cool. I get them from karaokeversion.com, and you can find the link for that in the description because everyone always asks. But like I say, I do doctor them a bit, so you might not get the exact same backing track if you do that. Now, don't forget, once you've learnt the basic tune, I'm playing it very straight and the music's very straight, so make it your own, give it your own personality. Because it's a bit boring the way I play it, let's be honest. As with the other Christmas tunes from this season, there's a little solo section in the middle. It's a simple blues pentatonic that you can add some bluesy fills and just jazz it up a bit. So I'm going to play it through once, and then the backing track will run for you. Hope you enjoy Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
would even say close. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games.
That's all for this week. I really hope you enjoyed learning Rudolph. These are just, look, we're not changing the world here, are we? It's just really good, fun Christmas songs with really kind of cheesy, lovely, fluffy backing tracks. Come on, just, you can't beat it, can you, at Christmas? Next week, there'll be another Christmas classic, and I can exclusively reveal it's going to be Let It Snow, Let It Snow, Let It Snow. So you're going to love that one. Don't forget to get your free PDF sheet music using the URL that you can see on screen or the link in the description. I hope you're enjoying your Christmas season. Hope you got all your shopping done. And until next week, remember to practice hard. Not too hard at Christmas though. Practice smart and definitely enjoy your music. See you later. Come on, right.